Good morning, teachers. This screencast is about how to use the iReady Diagnostic Report to assign Tier 2 interventions via iReady online instruction. If you have not received it by now, you will be receiving an iReady Diagnostic Results Report for each student on your caseload, Tier 2 and Tier 3 if you have both. So we're going to take a few minutes to go through this so I can show you how to assign lessons online so students that are in Tier 2 can do their interventions. Using the result report that you've been given, you're going to look through and you're going to find the topics, the skills that the students need remediation in. So here's a first grade student, Parrish Geist. I'm going to use his report for a working example. So as you see, it tells you what he scored overall. It also tells you what he scored in each domain in math. So, first domain is numbers and operations. Here you can see what Parrish is able to do, what he can do. We're not concerned about what he can do. We're worried about what he needs help with. So we scroll through the report, and the first skill we come up to is count up to 20 objects arranged in a line, rectangular array, a circle, or a scattered configuration. Now, I'm going to take this skill and I'm going to go and assign the online lesson for this to be the intervention for this child. So when we log into iReady, of course, this is the first page that we come to. So what I want to do, I want to go to Assess and Teach, and I want to click on Instruction. Then I want to click on the subject that I want, and in this instance, we're doing math. So once I've clicked on the online instruction, it'll bring me here, and I'll scroll down to where it says Create Assignments. So I reflect back to my report to remind myself what skill I'm looking for, and it's count up to 20 objects. So I scroll through, and here I go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 online lessons that go along with that skill that this student needs to work on. So I'm going to click on Make Groups up to 20 objects, and I'm also going to assign the practice. The practice will serve as a probe also. But for this instance, it'll take care of our 2 interventions needed for this student since he has a Tier 2 plan. So once I've clicked on it and highlighted it, I scroll back up and I click on Assign Online Lessons. And I'm going to click Student. I'm going to click the green arrow. And then I'll type in the student's name. Oh, first, I must select the grade. Now, I can type in the student's name, and it comes up before I even finish. And as you see, this is one of Ms. Kolar's students. So I highlight that student, I click the green. So now you're given the option. You can make due dates for both of these assignments. So I want to go through the lesson first before I do the practice. So for this student, today is Tuesday. I'm going to assign this for Wednesday. And I'm going to assign the practice for Thursday. Now, this student has both of their interventions assigned to them. Now it's up to you, the teacher, to make sure that this student gets on and get their interventions for the week. Are there any questions? If you have any questions, please email Mr. Smith or Ms. James at your earliest convenience. Thank you.